Simplesat allows you to create a CSAT, CES, 5-star, or NPS survey that you can embed directly into your Calendly email signatures. Create your survey by selecting the external email embed option from the Publish section. Then, select Calendly Workflow from the pop-up box. Make sure to switch your rating icon type to emoji before clicking the generic embed code button. Now, select the visual option and click on Copy Survey. Make sure to keep the survey link copied from your Simplesat account. Then, open your Calendly account and select Workflow. Select the workflow you'd like to use, or you could create a new one. Make sure to set up all your workflow rules and then paste your Simplesat survey embed code. Click Save. Now you're done adding your Simplesat surveys to Calendly workflows. Next up, create your Calendly managed events surveys. The process is similar to the previous one, just create your survey in Simplesat, but this time, you need to select Calendly Manage Events from the pop-up box. Now open your Calendly account and navigate to Home and select Admin Management. In the Manage Events tab, select which one you'd like to use. Click on Edit, then select the Notification and Cancellation policy, then go on Email Follow-up, then the Personalize option. Lastly, paste your survey and enjoy getting Simplesat survey feedback from your clients. Test it out yourself. Just like with ongoing email surveys, once you embed the survey, everything will run smoothly in the background without any extra effort on your part. Need answers or support? Our team is on standby and ready to swoop in over live chat or a quick screen share call.